You inspire me, you will message me. You play such an important role in my life.
Hi guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing my post-workout drink. That's a protein chas. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hey guys, today we are doing protein chas. The ingredients for the same are, we have 1 scoop of whey hydrolyzed, I have few ice cubes, Epigama yogurt that's natural and sweetened, water, and Inja Pro Collagen. So if you're a vegetarian, it's optional. We're going to not use Inja Pro Collagen, but if you eat non-veg, then it's a great product to be used. First, we're going to add half cup water. To that, we're going to add some ice cubes, so about 2 of them. Then I'm going to add my Greek yogurt. That's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Next, I'm going to add half a scoop of whey. Lastly, I'm going to add my Inja Pro Collagen. And now I'm going to blend the same. And our yummy, delicious protein chas is ready. The super yummy and super delicious protein chas is ready. It's an excellent post-workout drink. It contains Greek yogurt again, which is loaded with protein. It has enzymes which is going to boost your metabolism, and it's a great antioxidant. Also, it contains collagen. Collagen supports skin elasticity. Also, it reduces stiffness in your muscles and joint. So it's an excellent post-workout drink. Lastly, I would advise, please go down in the description link below and check all the ingredients I'm using to get the exact taste and to use the right products which are sugar-free and with less amount of carbohydrates. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.